HexClad wok. Is it as good and as non-stick as they say it is? Let's unpack it, prep it for use, make 3 different meals in it to find out. First, we need to wash it with warm water and dish soap. Next step is seasoning before using. Seasoning pans are essential to prolong its life and ensure your pans are optimized to their full nonstick cooking potential. To season, place the pan over medium-low heat. Add tablespoon of oil, then using paper towel and spread it to coat the entire surface. Keep in mind the pan and oil is hot at this point, and paper towel soaks the oil in real fast, so if you have kitchen brush, using it might be the easier option. Our first and classic option to fry is an egg, actually 2, but it turns out the egg is the trickiest item to make sure it doesn't stick. And here is the moment of truth. It looked beautiful when I tried flipping it, but then I broke it and made so much mess. Oops, sorry. But then, when it was done frying on the other side and I picked it up to take it out, it came right out. HexClad did a phenomenal job. Next, I will fry chicken. Since this is all for one dish, I did not rinse it in between. Working with chicken is even easier. A little bit of oil went a long way. Even when I added sauce and it started thickening up, things were not sticking. I love the fact that handle stayed cool while the rim was hot. Now to make fried rice, I'm adding rice and vegetables. Let's see how it behaves now. It's a little hard to show on the camera, but I am impressed. It did not stick. Love it! If you like this video, please consider hitting like and subscribing. If you enjoying exploring new fun places to visit, consider subscribing to our travel channel called LNV Boyko Family. Until next time.